Unistone proudly presents the Dhono Dhanyo Auditorium, Kolkata, as its new prestigious project. This architectural marvel spans 4.5 acres and highlights Unistone's advanced FRP screens and GRC K-shaped columns, seamlessly blending modern design with cultural depth. Completed on December 31st, 2022. Commissioned by the Public Works Department, PWD, managed by NBCC, and designed by the renowned architectural firm Assystem stup, the auditorium showcases Unistone's cutting-edge materials and expertise. Unistone's FRP Screens, covering an area of approx 36,000 square feet, is crafted to provide a harmonious blend of style, each measuring 1,920 millimeters by 1,920 millimeters, are engineered for both durability and aesthetic appeal. These lightweight, corrosion-resistant screens are designed to withstand extreme weather conditions while maintaining their visual appeal. In addition to the FRP screens, GRC K-shaped columns, spanning approx 39,000 square feet, provide the necessary structural strength while adding an elegant, geometric beauty to the auditorium's exterior. These columns, known for their durability and intricate detailing, align perfectly with the auditorium's modern yet timeless design. The FRP screens create a captivating facade that shifts in light, casting beautiful shadows throughout the day. The GRC K-shaped columns stand tall and proud. As night falls, the Dhono Dhanyo Auditorium transforms into a breathtaking vision of light and elegance. The building, designed with precision and beauty, comes alive under the soft glow of strategically placed lighting. Their dynamic design shifts with the changing light, adding depth and texture to the structure. The FRP screens, illuminated from within, cast intricate shadows across the facade. The Dhono Dhanyo Auditorium is more than just a landmark. It's a reflection of vision, innovation, and craftsmanship coming together in harmony. Unistone, elevating architecture with timeless design.